This is a wig. This is a wig. This is a wig. This is a wig. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HergivenHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Yeah, HergivenHair came with a curl like this. Call him. None of my hair is out for this install, and y'all, we slayed it down. You hear me? I am doing a 5-minute claw clip style, so if you want to see how I got this wig from A to slay quickly, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HergivenHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm pretty sure this is my first non-textured wig from HergivenHair, right? I think I've tried maybe like a looser textured, but I don't think I've tried like a silky texture. If you happen to shop or window shop on HergivenHair, you may have already seen this one and kind of had some questions about it because, you know, they pride themselves on more natural textured wigs. And some people do have natural textures like this Burmese curly. I did go ahead and wash it because it does come with a very, very, very strong chemical smell. I got my nails done, so I'm showing off. Mine is still lingering in mine, so you will need to do like a ACV rinse or like a deep soak for this one. I probably should have used my Dawn dish soap instead of my wig shampoo, because sometimes the wig shampoo is not, you know, it doesn't work quick enough. But I'm gonna use my dry shampoo to kind of mask my smell. Pat that in. Dry shampoo definitely helps a little bit. Okay, it's still very strong. I think it's like the processing of this type of curl. I do need to tint my lace just a smidge because she is a little ashy. So I'm gonna use my Mocha 360 powder once I find the exact brush that I need. What the heck? I need to organize my brushes again. Actually, the lace does have like a brownish tint to it. You can't really see it on there, but it's matching more so of my skin than not. So I'm actually gonna stop tinting it and then see what happens once I put the wig on. I am definitely doing an up style today because it's really hot, y'all. I really don't feel like having no hair down in my face. It does come with the adjustable elastic band already attached into your unit. So if you need to tighten that down, you can definitely do that. It also has the adjustable straps in the back. So use these to your advantage if you need to tighten your wig down. I know my head is big every day, okay? 23 gang gang. We need as much space as possible, especially because HergivenHair normally runs small on me. Ooh, that stank. I'm sorry. Ooh, it's just a strong chemical smell, child. I definitely need some apple cider vinegar because, yeah, that's strong. It's fitting down. Oh, no, it's not. I didn't even pull it down the back. Okay, here we go. My hair is pretty flat under this wig and it's fitting down pretty comfortably. But normally on HergivenHair wigs, the sides are cut back pretty short. So let's see. I don't have no extra sides to play with. For my big head girls, if this wig is too small for your head, but you really, really want to get it, all you need to do is pull your wig forward like this and then hike up the wig in the back. That's what I mean when I say push my wig up in the back. It gives you a little bit more space to play with in the front, especially if you're wearing the hair down. I've also seen my girl Sheba, who's another YouTuber. She had a tutorial on how to make your cap bigger by cutting a slit or a V in the back of the ear tab, and it'll stretch the cap, so it'll open it up a little bit. But I have never done that, so make sure you guys are watching those videos or researching those videos on YouTube so you know exactly what you are doing before you do it, okay? I'm not gonna pull no hair out. I'm just gonna work with what they gave me. It's blending down pretty good on my skin. Make sure I ain't cutting the hair off. The ear tabs are actually pretty long. This ear tab is a little wonky. There we go. These nails about to be a problem. So now I'm gonna use my Nairobi Mousse and I'm gonna put that all around my hairline because I am rocking this unit glueless. That is on the hair, child. I need the hairline to be fixed. And I am using the side part action that already came in the wig. Could I wear a wig grip with this? If I wore like one of the thinner ones, like my GX one, this one is too thick. I wouldn't be able to wear it with this wig. This one's a little thinner, so I may be able to wear this one, but I'm not gonna do that today just because I don't want too much pressure on my head. I'm trying to be real comfortable, and right now it's fitting really comfortable. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Let me turn this a little bit because I want a very deep side part. Play with these hairs a bit. The way they had the hairline, it was already kind of shaped in a natural look, if you will. So I want to kind of keep that same look with the hairline. Ooh, I am hungry. My stomach is talking to me. Make it a little messy. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna take my band, because they don't have a band. HergivenHair. As much as these wigs are, you better throw in a band. I got these bands off Amazon, so if you need one for yourself, you can go ahead and pick that up, okay? Now for the curls, if I use too much mousse, it's gonna take me a little bit longer to fluff it out. So I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse. I want the hair to be kind of on a 3rd day, 4th day type of wear. The curls are not super defined in the first place. I'm gonna use that to my advantage. This video is more just showing you guys how to style your wigs. I don't have the hair to do certain styles. So wigs are my favorite way to recreate styles that I see other people doing on their natural hair. So well, that's what I'm gonna do. Those curls are looking good, right? It's brushing through really easy. I don't gotta clump anything today because of the style that I'm doing. Wait, yeah, I'm not gonna clump today. Go ahead and clip this hair back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my light makeup look, diffuse the hair, and then we'll come back and do our up style, okay? Be right back. Let's go ahead and style this updo. Y'all saw when I did my diffusing, I took the diffuser off at the end just to kind of give the hair a little more lift and fullness because I want to do the up styles. I'm not going to take off the band yet. So I'm gonna make 2 parts on the sides to bring my front out to create the swoop effect or the side part effect, like so. I need to gather all the hair on top of the head to create the ponytail illusion. Y'all see the back is a little janky. We gotta fix that. Got my little ponytail holder right here. Pull it all up. Tight, tight, tight. Like so. Make sure it's all up there. I take off the band in the back just so I can make sure the back is gonna sit how I need it. Take that off. Looking good in the front. I'm gonna use my bobby pins to get the back down, and then I'll tighten the ponytail once I get it down. So let me try to get these bobby pins on with my nails. It's a struggle trying to be cute, child. Like that. And I'm just attaching it to my wig cap. Let me turn around so y'all can see this. Hold up, bringing it down like that. And then I'm gonna bobby pin it to my wig cap. If you have on your wig grip, you can definitely just attach it to that. Bring it forward a little bit more with the ponytail. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Now I gotta get the rest of this hair to the back. So I'm gonna use my spray bottle, put some water on there. Now I could use gel, but I'm using a little bit more mousse. This curl is definitely pretty. I like that. I will need to make sure my sides are how I want it. Make sure my ear tabs are where I want them to sit. There we go, there we go. Put my glasses back on. Like, girl. Wait a minute, is this stuck in my earring? Child. Bring my ears out. Bring that behind the ear like that. Okay. And I'm gonna make it as tight as possible. Put the bow on, like so. Make sure I don't pop my daggone press-ons off. Bring it up in the back. Take my little claw clip, my black one, and I'm just gonna clip it like so. Again, I'm giving the illusion that the ponytail is coming out of the claw clip. Add some mousse to the sides. Over here, uh-oh, don't get on me, don't get on me. Now let me fix my front here. Where I wanna go, where I wanna go. Come on, glueless, come on, glueless. Y'all know I don't do swoops, but it works with this look. What is this? Hold up. I got a piece of hair in here that needs to come down. Lift up the front a little bit. Y'all. Now if you want to tease it up a little bit to make it a little bit bigger, you can definitely do that. I don't think I need any product in my parting space because it looks pretty natural in my opinion. So let me close that back on up and put on my lip gloss. Hold up, my edges in the back are very kinky, so I want to make sure they match the texture that I'm going for with this look. So I'm just going to use a little bit of edge control and brush them up in the back. just to kind of sleek them out a bit. Okay, I want it to match the texture. There we go. Lord have mercy. Did I do it or did I do it? Listen, none of my hair is out on this wig. This is a wig, this is a wig, this is a wig, this is a wig, and it's still glueless. Look, I don't wanna mess up my swoop, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Look. Woo! I am in love with this look on me. My neighbors gotta see how I look. This is cute. I had a little bit of shedding, no tangling. If you like HergivenHair, but the thick textures are just not your ministry, this one right here may be right up your pew. Okay, open your arms. And accept this one, you hear me? I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my silk spray as a finishing touch. I done got it on my glasses, good grief. The sides are still sitting, look. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HergivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.